Okay, I am super nervous. I'm about to ask my girl to get married, and I'm super stressed about that, but I'm not stressed about the wedding planning at all because my family's been in the business for 20 plus years. They know all the tips and tricks, the in and outs, so I feel good about that. You guys can also feel really comfortable with your wedding planning because they do this thing called date night. It's a really fun environment. You can have a couple drinks, you know, some snacks. It's so much fun. Everyone's cracking jokes. It's a really good time. And as well, you're learning stuff. You become closer with your partner. Do you know that some songs are better to dance to while all of the eyes are on you? Do you know the difference between a suit and a tux? Do you know what flowers are in for your season? All of them will tell you exactly what you need to know when you're at date night. Some of the vendors that will be there are florist, DJ, photographer, videographer. We got makeup. We got so many people. We got venues, everything that you need just to make your day the day that you want. Join us at the Wedding Party Date Night, where you can meet your new wedding friends with benefits. I'm young and about to gain, sorry, sometimes my words stutter. If you go to the date night that they host, it's a whole lot of fun. You know, crack drinks, you know, crack jokes.
Yeah, stop. Okay, stop. Go back to the...
Wait, open it up.
Join us at the Wedding Party Date Night and meet some of your new friends with benefits.
Wedding
Wedding friends with benefits.
That's your